Hi guys, recycling centre, gold or garbage. Been out to Thornbury today where there's a recycling centre that has a shop, I suppose you could call it, where they sell off stuff that people have taken to the recycling centre, but it's sort of too good to go straight into the recycling. This thing I see quite often in charity shops. And I've looked at it and never thought much of it, couldn't figure out what it did. But they had one in the recycling centre. In fact, I bought 3 things. I'll do 3 separate videos for a total price of £1. So he cost me 33.333333 pence or pennies. And I got it home and I put fresh batteries in it and switched it on, and I still couldn't figure out what it does. It's Disney Pixar, made by Bandai, B-A-N-D-A-I, 2015 I think that is. I don't know if the camera will be able to see that. Probably not. I can see there's a LED in there, or a couple of LEDs. And there's a button there, and there's an on-off switch here, and a speaker there. And you turn it on, and he's got some lights glowing in there. And if you put him down so he presses that button, he talks to you.
Now we're talking.
Yeah. And that was all he appeared to do. He changes what he says each time.
No memories, no problems. Time to go! 3 hearts? What are you talking about? I don't have 3 hearts. Here we go! Come on, come on, come on. I don't remember coming this way. Uh-oh, we better make this quick. Focus. Name's Hank. How sick are you? Hey, but you found me.
Okay, so he talks, and I couldn't figure out anything else. So I had a look on YouTube, and I did find a video. I expect there's more than one, but I found one by one of the toy review channels, and now I know. I might have to turn the lights out a little bit, but he's actually called Finding Dory, Change and Chat Hank. So he's called Hank in the Finding Dory film. And what he does in the film is he changes colour, camouflages himself. But unless I move him from where he is, you'll have no idea what he does. Easiest thing I can do is take this.
3 hearts? What are you talking about? I don't have 3 hearts.
So you probably can tell the LEDs have changed colour. I'll put some of these lights out so it's not so. Right. I don't know if that light's any good now, because this camera doesn't like that lighting. So, did we notice?
Great idea.
He turns blue. So what he does is, those LEDs under there, or one's an LED and one's a sensor, is identifying what colour he's sitting on. And then, by some means or other, it does a colour change there.
Uh-oh, we better make this quick.
So I don't know how good the camera will be picking up the colours, and it appears to be strobing looking at the camera. I did see that I've got different colours on here, so...
Hey, but you found me. Name's Hank. How sick are you?
It's a bit white. How about green? Yeah?
I don't remember coming this way.
Can you see that's green? Oh, that is strobing, isn't it? No doubt BigClive.com would explain why it's strobing. It must be colour mixing, I suppose. Noise in the background's our dishwasher.
No memories, no problems.
That's yellow to me.
Focus. Here we go.
Red.
Time to go.
White.
Now we're talking.
Yeah.
No memories, no problems.
Sort of yellowy browny
Time
colour.
to go.
What's that? That's browny
Here
colour.
we go.
Oh, there's a purpley colour there.
Focus.
It sees it as red.
Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, that's a bit sort of purpley.
We better make this quick.
Bit of yellow down there.
Hey, hey, hey. But you found me.
Anything else? Bread.
3 hearts. What are you talking about? I don't have 3 hearts. Now we're talking. I don't remember coming this way.
Yeah.
Name's Hank. Great idea.
And white.
Name's Hank. How sick are you?
Yeah.
Here we go.
So, I would imagine the child will get bored of that pretty quick. I'll put the lights back on now. And another one. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, fun for a few minutes and then boring, I would thought. But technology-wise, I mean, that's quite impressive, isn't it? I'm not going to take it apart and try and figure out what the component parts do. We can see there's a circuit board in there, but I wouldn't be able to identify what the bits were, so I'm afraid you're stuck with that. So that is, what was it? Change and Chat Hank from Bandai. I say, they keep turning up in the charity shops. I keep looking at them and thinking, what is that? And now I know. It's a colour sensitive, colour changing toy. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.